Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my top. Yes, I am wearing a sweater, more like a hoodie. I'm just home being really comfortable and also feeling a bit lazy, but I also got up and got glammed for you guys. No explanation there. But I do have a couple of things here that I want to show you guys slash review. So if you see me wearing the same outfit and the same makeup in the next 3 videos, like this one and the future 2, then you know why, because I have a couple of things sitting here and I really want to kind of clean it all up. So I'm here today to show you guys my Sephora haul and what I got from Sephora from the VIP sale that they had. So your girl went a little bit crazy, and I also bought a few things also from Charlotte Tilbury's website. So I'm really excited to dive in and show you guys the new goodies that I have. But before I go ahead and dive into my haul, if you guys are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. If you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I would love to have you guys a part of the light family that I have here on my channel. So let's dive into the stuff I got. I was fixing around my necklaces and my skin is so sensitive that I got red all over my neck, so ignore that. So I have this box right here filled with a whole bunch of goodies, also a few things that I received as well from my sister-in-law that I'm gonna also dive in. It's from Charlotte Tilbury, and yes, she works with Charlotte Tilbury, and I also did get a few things from the website Charlotte Tilbury itself, but she also gifted me this little gift. I'm really excited to show you guys these, and also a whole bunch of stuff. As you guys can see, it's all Charlotte Tilbury on the top because I've been obsessed with Charlotte Tilbury and her products. Like, they are amazing. So I'm gonna start off with this cute little bag. I love the bag. I love the little transparent bag moment with the bow and everything. I'm just obsessed with this one. So obviously she gave me their new highlighter that you also have seen me use this on my channel. This is the Glow Guide highlighter. These are new that they came up with, and I have Pillow Talk Glow, and this one here is just stunning. It's stunning, and this is how the packaging that looks like. At one point on TikTok, everybody was talking about the star pentagram that it has on right here. This is not really a pentagram. If you guys know Charlotte Tilbury's story, she's really into astrology and all of that stuff, and before starting her makeup line, she always drew that star somewhere on her paperwork and everything, working and all of that. She always drew that star. So now she did her own makeup line, and obviously she added the star as a little touch of her. So if you guys think that it is a pentagram, it's not, just her little touch on to her products. So this is Pillow Talk Glow. I've already featured this in one of my videos. As you guys can see, it's already been used, but I love this highlighter. It's kind of like in between, kind of looks like a bit rose golden on camera, but it has a little bit of rose gold, and it has a little bit of like champagne-y kind of vibe to it, which I really like. So definitely love this highlighter, and I've been using it a couple of times as well. Next, it is the famous blush wand, and I have color Dream Pop, Pillow Talk Dream Pop, and I love this color. I definitely want to try the peach and the light pink version. I think she came up with 4 colors, so I have the bright pink one, and I love it. I featured this on my TikTok. If you guys follow me on TikTok, then you probably have seen it, but yeah, I've used it. It kind of looks like a reddish pink, so it is quite vibrant, and then you just need to blend it out, and when you blend it out, it's smooth out into a really nice subtle kind of finish, which is really nice. Now I know there's a lot of brands that came out with something similar, also similar as package wise. VIB Cosmetics, I've seen a couple of brands kind of like do the same packaging wise, and if you guys are wondering, it does not stain the face. So Next in this bag, it is their famous and my top favorite cream. Yes, it's a little bit more expensive, but it is worth it. I honestly recommend it to everybody. They also have the Magic Night Cream, which is something I really want to get as well. But I have their Magic Cream, which you can also use day and night. This is honestly has been in my skincare routine all the time. I use it all the time as well. And this is the Magic Dew Youth and Luminosity in a jar. That's exactly what it is. And it is their famous Magic Cream. I love this stuff, and they actually just celebrated their 10-year anniversary with this cream. So it's been 10 years that it is on the market, and I just love it. You just look at it and you're like, just by looking at it, you're immediately moisturized. What's cool about this is that if you don't want to repurchase the whole thing, you can just get the refill, put it out and replace it. But I can't do it right now. I'm actually scared to ruin it. But it is refillable, so instead of buying the whole thing, you can just buy the refills and you can save some money from there. Diving into what's in the box. Now keep note that I am a professional makeup artist, so I am a freelancer, so I do a lot of brides and a lot of clients. So most of the things I got from here is to refill, and also added some new items to my kit. So let me dive in. So first of all, I thought I've ordered one of these, but I ended up ordering two, which is okay. I don't mind it. I mean, this product is amazing. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush try to say that 5 times fast. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night and stay all day. I've been wanting to try this for the longest time. Also on their website, you know, they added like so many swatches, and then they sprayed this, they let it set, and then they did this so hard and nothing moved, and I'm like, okay, sold. This is why I got it, to be honest. And also I've heard my sister-in-law rave about the setting spray so many times, so I ended up getting it. So I ended up getting two. Next product, this is actually a highly requested product from my clients, asking me if I had this in my kit, and I said no, but now I do. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury Easy Highlighter wand, which is the light wand, and I got shade Spotlight. And this one here has been a highly requested product to have in my kit, so I ended up getting it for my clients. And this is how it looks like. This is a brand new one. So yeah, but it is more like a champagne kind of color. Ooh, this is really pretty. Okay. Ooh, I see why it's been highly requested. Look at this color. It is so pretty. Look at that. Okay, I love this luminous finish. How pretty. So I see why it's been like on a radar request product to have in my kit. I don't blame my clients, they have taste. Next, I ended up getting two highlighters. I was actually not sure which color to get, so I ended up getting two. I got, this is the Airbrush Bronzer, and this is also, if you want to buy the refills, you can. I actually do have shade Fair that I really like. I finished it, I actually even broke it, so I ended up getting the refill that you will see in a second. So I got shade Medium, number 2 medium, and look at the packaging. Girl, like this is luxury. So this is shade Medium. I like it. Honestly, this is for my kit as well as for my clients. I also got shade Tan, number 3 Tan, and I love how it tells you in the back on how to use their product. And this is shade Tan. It is a bit darker than Medium, so this is Medium and this is Tan, and I feel like, yeah, I definitely needed both. One more color that I want to get, which is their darkest one. Your girl is, she needs to save money, and I have a hard time doing that with makeup. Next, I believe this is a new product that they have. It's called Science Plus Color Beautiful Skin Sun Kissed Glow Bronzer, and this is a cream product. I think this is a new product at Charlotte Tilbury. To be honest, I don't know, but I had to get it, and look at the packaging. It's so pretty. Again, it also shows you how to apply it if you want to. This is for contouring. In my kit, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills kind kind of like a foundation stick for contouring, but I really wanted to elevate and get something so beautiful. This is in shade medium. They also come in different shades as well, but I got medium because I feel like most of my clientele, this is kind of like the contour shade that suits them, so that's why I got this color. And this is how this looks like. It is so pretty. It is a cream. Yep, it is a cream kind of formula. By the way, my hands are clean before I touch this, so just keep that in mind. Next, this is also another, oh, this is for me actually. I got myself a little something because most of the things I got is from my kit, but I wanted to try this blush for the longest time, and I got a Charlotte Tilbury blush. Again, packaging wise, it looks expensive, and obviously I got the shade. I love it. It's kind of like a mix of pink, a mix of peach, and it is super pretty. I'll show you the name because sometimes I have a hard time just spelling the name, so you guys could see the name of this blush. Hopefully the blush is not refillable, just an FYI, but this is when you have that little hole that you can pop it out and you can refill. We love that. There's more Charlotte Tilbury in here that I got from Sephora. This is something that I've been wanting for my kit as well. This is the Complexion Perfection Micro Powder, and I got shade Fair. I definitely need shade medium and dark as well. This one I've been wanting it just to set under eye concealer. I definitely would need the darker shade of this as well, but I got Fair because it's quite a common color to put under the eye to illuminate and to set the under eye. Also, I got samples, the Marc Jacob Perfume and the Benefit Brow, which is also Gimme Brow Art is my favorite. Let's finish up with Charlotte Tilbury. In here I have the Fair refill. This is the airbrush bronzer, so I'll show you how the refill looks like. Hopefully it's not broken. So this is the Fair. The refill comes like this, and it's a big pan. I honestly like using the Fair when you add the bronzer and you take a little bit of the Fair and you kind of like blend it into the skin. It gives such a beautiful finish. I got the Too Faced. This is the 3-in-1 Hungover Setting Spray. My favorite. This one is amazing for dry skin. Again, most of the clients that I have super dry skin. Is this big or is just the formula that they always had? I feel like they made it bigger. Could it be me? 120 ml. Did they also have 100 ml? This one has coconut water and prebiotic base ingredient and skin revivers. Love that. Silicone free, alcohol free, and oil free. So yeah, we love your skin even when you don't. That's how I'm feeling today. This is one of my favorite products to use as well for like setting sprays, especially for clients with super dry skin. I love using this, so I highly recommend it. And also it smells phenomenal. Next, I got 2 refills of the Dior Backstage foundation. I used this all summer last year for my brides, and I love the finish of this foundation. If you guys haven't tried this foundation, highly recommended. It just literally looks like your skin and it's so natural on the face. I love it. So I got shade 3W and I got shade 1N. I don't have all the colors in here, so normally I have a couple of colors and I tend to kind of mix them, but these are the colors that are kind of, for me, bases that I use all the time. So this is shade 1N, which is 1 neutral. Kind of looks like my skin tone a bit. And then 3W is the perfect tone for those clients that has a little bit of a tan-ish kind of finish. So 3W is kind of like 3 warm. This is perfect for them. Definitely, it says to shake it before using it. This is kind of like what I do, and I love it. So most of the time, if the customer is in between, obviously I mix them. Next, I got, this is the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. I got the waterproof one. I use this a lot on my clients. The waterproof one is amazing. Obviously, I have disposable wands that I use in my kit, which I don't double tip, and I don't use the wand on my clients, so I use the disposable ones and I throw them away after. But everybody needs a waterproof mascara, and I feel like this is a good one. If you recommend another good one, let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely try it out. But the Better Than Sex one is really nice, and I feel like they changed the packaging a bit. It looks heavier, it feels heavier. Next, the other 3 items in here are actually for moi because I've been running out. So this is my favorite powder foundation that I like to use, believe it or not, Lancome. I've been using this for the longest time, and I feel like I always go back to it because it's just really pretty, and I have it all over my face today too. My old one, so I got myself a new one. This is the Dull Finish Multitasking Powder and Foundation in One All Day Wear. Yeah, I love this stuff, and it smells phenomenal. So it looks like this. It kind of reminds me of like Chanel kind of vibes. The smell of this powder is so good. So this is the powder that I use, and if you guys are wondering about the color, it also comes with a puff, but I never use the puff. I kind of keep it for like touch-ups if I want to take it with me. This one here is in shade 310 Bisque, and even when I travel, this is the first thing in my bag. Next, I got my refills. I got my KVD tattoo liner because your girl cannot live without it, even though I've been obsessed with the Urban Decay 24/7 ink liner, which is what I have on right now. And also another mascara I've been totally obsessed with. I've been using the mini size of it, and I definitely needed myself the bigger one. This is the Murette Beauty Clean Mascara. This is what they call it, clean mascara. I also have a link with Murette Beauty, which I'm planning to do a video showing you guys my top favorite products from Murette Beauty and talk more about them. But this mascara, to be honest with you guys, I'm not even joking, it is such a good mascara. It gives you the best length and the best volume, so I definitely needed to get myself the bigger size. The packaging of it is just really nice and slick, and one of my favorites. Normally this mascara always sold out on their website, just an FYI. Now I know why, because it is really good. And this is called Clean Mascara Lengthening Tubing Mascara. That's it. That is my Sephora haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Hopefully you found a couple of the products that I got a little helpful for your shopping. If you guys have any questions or concern, also I am planning to do a video showing you guys what I put in my kits and how I organize my kits for my clients. And I'm also planning on having a couple of friends / clients come over and do their makeup and kind of film it for you guys to show you guys how I glam my clients, and then maybe do a more event and do kind of like a bridal look as well. So let me know if you guys want me to do these kind of videos. I feel like it will be really fun. On that note, I'm going to be filming another video for you guys. If you guys are interested, you can go ahead and check out my channel. You will see it on there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.